So hello, my name is Holly. If you are new here, if you are returning, hello. I am so glad that you came back. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to my vlog channel. I will link that down below. I will love to have you both channels. So let's get started. Alright, so today I am going to be opening the February iPSY bag for you guys. I'm so excited. I love doing these videos. And I actually just subscribed to BoxyCharm and Birchbox. So yay, more unboxing videos to come. I'm so excited. These are just so cool because I love the surprises. I don't know why. Alright. So obviously this is the February iPSY bag. I'm so excited. I predict that it's gonna be something very February, Valentine's, lovey-dovey, pink and red, hearts and all that. So let's see what's going on here. Oh, it's fuzzy. Oh my gosh, it's fuzzy. It's upside down. Oh, this is cute. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but it is like a purple. That's different. I thought it'd be bright pink with hearts. But it's very fuzzy, like velvet kind of. Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. And it's got purple with a little tassel. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so of course we got the card. Feel the love. Okay, let's see what's inside here. I don't like looking at that because I like just unboxing myself. So first up we got it's by Murad. It's a renewing eye cream. Yeah, that's all it really says in English. Renewing eye cream. And of course, such a huge box for this tiny little guy right here. This thing is so small. I didn't pick anything from this this month. They didn't let me, I don't know. Maybe I missed the emails. I swear it's every other month they let me choose an item. This month, nah. So this doesn't say much. It just says to use AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. I love eye creams because my eyes be looking baggy and gross. Doesn't really smell like anything. But it just looks like a regular little cream. Oh, it's like a thick cream too. It's not this is better than the last eye cream that I got. Yeah, this really actually feels good. Next up, this feels kind of heavy. Oh my gosh, a nail polish! I've never gotten nail polish from iPSY before. Oh, it's like a plum kind of color. That's cute. Oh, this is it's like a full-size item. This is the color that it is. It is from Pretty Woman. And it's the color, I don't know, I don't think it says. I might have ripped it. Oh, X's and O's. I ripped it, but it's the color X's and O's. It's this really purpley color. Kind of matches the purple theme. The zipper. This would be a cute color for your toenails. Let me just try it out a little bit on my nail. Okay, so I guess probably 2 coats would definitely do it. And then we got the City Limits Lush Eyeshadow. I hate these little things. I can never get into them. I have to rip them and stuff. Oh, by the company IBY or IBY. I have no idea how to say that. I don't know if my camera is focusing. It's an eyeshadow and the color is called Headliner, I'm assuming. Ooh, it's like a dark kind of color. Let me swatch this. Definitely like a plummy theme going on, like a dark purple plum theme. All right, and then I got a 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie long wear foundation and concealer by the company Pure. Can you even see? Oh my gosh, is this focusing? I feel like it's not focusing very well. I apologize. This camera. Oh. Okay. We'll see. Foundation and concealer though. Let's see how well this swatches and everything. Ooh, the consistency is nice. Oh no, I don't think it's showing very well on camera. But it looks like it's going to have very nice full coverage though. Yeah, the lighting is kind of off in here. I'm sorry. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my 5th item? Oh no! The 5th item got lost. No, she didn't. It's a brush, of course. Oh, I have like updated my iPSY beauty quiz so many times because it's like whenever I tell them to send brushes, they send brushes, and whenever I don't tell them to send brushes, they don't. But I got a brush. Oh, how do you open this? What the heck? Ooh, very fluffy brush. Thank God they chilled with the blending brushes. I kept on getting like eye blending brushes like over and over again. It's like, oh my God, chill. But I got the R&L Moda Pro BMX 255 Accentuate. Don't know if you can see that. Ah, this camera. It just comes out like blurry. But it definitely feels very soft. And I do not have a brush like this. So the handle feels very nice. It's like this weird like textured, like, I don't know how do you describe this. This like texture-y. I'm excited though. This looks like a decent brush. I could get all the brushes I can right now because I don't have like a decent brush set. I've been meaning to try to get like decent makeup brushes. Alright guys, so that is already it to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow my vlog channel. I'm like the most boring vlogger ever. I don't have a fascinating life, but I would love for you to be over there too. And follow me on Instagram too. I'm really boring on Instagram too. I'm just a boring girl, I'm sorry. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos because like I said, I am subscribed to BoxyCharm and Birchbox. So there'll be more unboxing videos since these are the videos that gets like views. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.